In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a dispute on Wise. We'll walk through every step to ensure you know exactly how to effectively address any transaction issues you might be facing. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the Wise application or website. Make sure you have a stable internet connection before you proceed, as this will make the process smoother and quicker. Once you're on the home page, you need to log into your account. Just enter your login credentials as you normally would, ensuring you are accessing the correct account associated with your transactions. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner where you'll find your profile icon. Give it a quick click. This will open a menu with various options. What you'll want to do next is select Help. It might be tucked away among a few other options, but don't worry. Once you find it, give it a click. This section is crucial as it leads you to the resources you need to resolve your issue. After clicking Help, scroll down a bit and you'll see Contact Us. Go ahead and click on that option and it will guide you to the section where you can specify the transaction you're having issues with. Now this is an important part. You need to click on the specific transaction for which you want to open a dispute. Make sure you have all the details about this transaction at hand, as it will help later on when you need to describe the issue. With the transaction selected, you'll be presented with various options for reasons behind your dispute. Go ahead and select Something Else. This choice allows for more detailed reporting of your issue, which is particularly useful if your situation doesn't fit the standard categories. Before proceeding, you'll have an option to choose your preferred language. Wise supports multiple languages, and choosing one that's most comfortable for you can make explaining your issue much easier and more effective. Finally, you'll have 3 options for contacting Wise's support team: through their chat feature, via email, or by phone. If you choose to chat, you'll be directed to their chat interface where you can communicate in real time with a support agent. If you prefer writing emails, make sure to clearly describe every detail of the issue you're facing, including transaction ID, dates, amounts, and any other relevant information. This will help facilitate a quicker resolution. For those who prefer speaking directly to someone, the phone is your method. Just make sure to have all your details ready to provide should the support agent need them. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently open a dispute and work towards resolving any transaction issues on Wise. Remember, clarity and detail are key when communicating your concerns. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide easy to follow.